Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, you will see the how to object track and count real time. So uh, this library provide as one library which will providing as reality argument. So let's going on. Okay, you can see the result and with CPU base and you go to the end search reality argument startup. So you can see the here officially linked website, codes, login, and computer vision store. Computer vision store, vision store. Okay, he will a lot of you can see a lot of projects with free bases and paid bases. You can learn a lot of things from here. Okay, so we are going to the target of the this video only as library, which is providing by the reality argument startup. So you can see go to the link and go to you can see the easy and modular which will help out the computer vision library detector and taker run YOLO v7 add and so on within some lines. Okay, first of all you can see the here his criteria. So installation part Linux already done and Windows already done. Here the we implement the Mac user for the installation and it's depend on you. Only focus on the your terminal and Python version. So let's going on. Here you can see Python version 3.10.9. Okay, so let's going on. So you can see I am already have the download as on one. So I am going to the my just copy this link and code side just copy here the link. Okay, so you can see how to install. Okay, first clone the report. So I am clone, go to the my backside. Okay, so you can see the some changes and how to change and you can delete it first. I am deleting git clone and link. Okay, you can easily copy from here and paste, then go to the his directory. Okay, you can change it this name yourself if you want to change it. So it's taking time, not worry. We are exploring more in this library uh, which will provide the reality argument. So you can see the introduction, preparation, clone, installation, and usage, running, and sample codes, benchmarks. Okay, so one introduction. You can see the what kind of the introduction in the ASN library about the ASN library. Okay, now supported only YOLO v8. Okay, it is very achievement, big achievement for the reality argument only supported by YOLO v8. You can track easily DeepSort or ONNX and PyTorch YOLO. Hmm, I think it's done. Okay, it's taking time. Not worry. So here you can see the watch the video. He will provided the simply one video. So let's skip that. Okay. So you can see the he will one by one um, easily to usage of the YOLO V8, V7 and 20 line of the code as on one library. Okay. So videos already provided. Watch by step window user for window users. Okay. So second preparation. You can see the go to the your make sure your drivers will be able. You can see the one link already given. Drive link will be given or not. Okay. So after this checking point, you can see the make sure of MS tool. It is very necessary for the window users. Okay. Then you can download the if you Mint user, Linux user, and Mac user, so you can just not have need to git clone for the install. Just copy and paste. You can download this type of will be happen in front of you. So I think we should go to the our previous module. So I will show you one by one. Not worry. So you can see the this report already download from my account. No, sorry, my system. Okay, let's going on. After you can see I am already in YouTube directory and now going to the ASN. I will show you. Okay, so I am clear all. Uh, I want to big one screen. You can see. You can see the all things will be done. So I am changed this name underscore Mac. I think one name will be added Mac underscore CPU. Okay, little bit changes. You can see Oxnet runtime. I will change it. So you have only Python 3.10.9 version. So I am quite it. Sudo pip install requirements. Put your password. So you can see I am already done all things. So after this installation done, you go to the installation is part done. So you can check it out there. This command will be installed. So I will change it to installation part. You can this report get from my Git account also. Do not worry. Little bit changes. Mm, okay, if you direct use pip install ASN1 library, you can directly use it. So see then implementation of the C Pyth. Okay, this changes will be happen. So now we are going to the running the ASN1. So you can see the one main source, one script, data, sample, and sample test video. I will show you here our folder. Okay, so I am already in my folder. So you can check it out the main .py file. Here the main.py file. Main.py file import the AS1 library. One function will be defined. What kind of the function will be called? You can see the filter the all classes, detect the AS1 library, uh, ByteTrack, YOLO v7, here the where, and use the Conda environment. Okay, it's depend on your PyTorch. Okay, so you can see the get tracking function. Here the loop over the function output frame. Here the assign the path CPU path. Okay, I will show you how to run. Okay, do not worry. So you can go to the ASN1 library, sorry, folder. My mistake. I am open all. You can check it out the one by one. All dependency will be happen here in one by one folder. I will show you from here. Okay, you can see the here the manuscripts, ORC, object character recognition, detection path, and tracking path. So Linux already will be done installation part. Now we are implement Mac installation window be already done. So going to the, you can see now, open the terminal, Python, here the manuscript. Okay, I will close it again. It's not manuscript. Okay, just going to the data, video samples. We are choosing from here this. Okay, man, data, sample videos. Okay, name is the test MP4. You can mention your CPU bus, yeah, or GPU bus, Conda. So it's depend on you. So you can see the here the scale learn version will be showed for the supported, and all dependency versions will be all maximum 2 3 dependency version. API call will be showed. You can see the enable all the things, and you can get the frame per seconds for the, you can check it out the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You can check it out the this will process 0 per frame per second will be happen. Okay, so it's on CPU base. Okay, so you can see that we are cover uh, main file test tracker on this sample. Okay, it will be done. Now we are targeting the, you can see the all logs, info logs will be happen in front of you, and the result will be here. This video will be created. Okay, will be saved. Okay, so you can see the 1 frame per second. Here all things will be gone, car will be gone. So now we are going to the next target. Go to the object detection. You can see this object detection algorithm. Here the import libraries, mention the video path, and initialize the again video, filter the classes. What kind of classes? You can see the car. Here the one loop, assign the frame per seconds, and all filter classes, and you can see the already mentioned in this video boxes. So here you can see he mentioned the all boxes. So you can see the M show will result will be have been in front of you. You can run on the GPU base. You do not mention the GPU. You can run the this algorithm on the CPU base. You can mention the CPU base. I'm copy this link. Okay, and close this algorithm. clear all the terminal. So you can see the I'm just copy and paste. So here they mention the ASN1, okay, folder and the demo. You can see the here the demo underscore detector. What kind of will be doing? You see the result within second. This algorithm will be sum up. Import the ASN library. You do not need to any. I am run this algorithm in front of you. I am calling all project in my system. I am not import the library. I will show you how to import the library and this algorithm will be usage. So this algorithm covered object detection. You can see here he mentioned the bus. Okay, yeah, but is not the bus. Okay. Mm, I think we will show the 7 wait. Here data custom weight. You see the already custom weight we will given and the sample images, sample videos, and data part will be covered. Here the ASN, another text side detector. Okay, so I think we should go to the next. You can see the object will be also detect easily in front of you. So I'm close it and we are going to the object detection this algorithm, but we import the library ASN1 also. Sudo pip install. You cannot write the sudo. You just pip install make user window user Linux user. You just copy this link and just install this command. Okay. Then you copy this code now from here. Open your text editor. Here the script name is. So here you can see I am just re-edit the script test.py file name. Here the Python. You can see the script. Same script will be showed test.py Python test.py. You can see the result. Same type front of you. You can which will be mentioned in this command. Okay. Now we are going to the object detection will be covered. Now object tracker. How to track the object. Uh, okay, mention a CPU. I have not the GPU right now. In the system, I have GPU, but I cannot mention the GPU libraries. Okay, so you can see the runtime error anaconda. Okay, I'm going to the script. Yeah, You can see set the use conda to false for CPU. We will mention it false. Now we can run it. Not need to mention the dash dash CPU. You just mention the false, unable to GPU. So you get the result now. Okay, object will be dead. Now we are going to the hmm, how to track the object. You can see already mentioned the one script. Now depend on you. We import the library and easily to track two sides. One I have already code in my system. So just copy this link, okay, and clear all this link. Just I will show you here the folder, here the script name, demo underscore detector, okay, demo underscore detector. Here the mention all things in front of you. Object will be indexed and tracked. You can see. Now we are going to the here text detector. So how can text detection with Python base and AS1 library? So I'm again copy this link and clear all and just run this algorithm. So you can see the result. Uh, you can see the check it out the result. How can CPU will be enabled? This model is faster master to the CPU, but we are using the CPU. I have GPU, but we are going to the CPU where so you can see the get the result. Okay, so in this video we will cover the installation part, introduction part, and you also see yeah, you can see the text will be detect. You can GTA 5 unique license plate vehicles video, okay, mad etc and so on. So in this video you learn how to detect the simply track the object, detection the object, okay. Also we learn text detector, and we are going to the one another algorithm will be explored and from this module ASN1. So let me check. So we cannot I think we should one algorithm is missing from our side. What kind of missing I will show you. So this script name is demo underscore. You will not be mentioned. Okay, no problem. We can write the code tracker, object tracker. Okay, So we will mention it the ASN1 dot demo underscore techer. You can track the easily. So I will show you the result. What kind of the download will be here. You can see the one video or what kind of the will be taken will be downloaded. Let me check. Here open the script, import the libraries. Here mention the class, okay, and path and result. Okay, output directory is same data underscore result. So here they assigned the one video. Let me check first download dependency 495. Okay, our internet is stable. So I will pause it. No, it's taking time. So you can see that we are covered the last part of the ASM1 library, and after this library will be covered, and I think it's working fine now. So it's taking time. Our net is stable. It's taking 1-2 minutes for the downloading, and after downloading, we are going to the uh, run this command and mention the filters and YOLO V8 model, YOLO V7 model and script name and video path. So how to use last part of the object tracking model, and we are going to implement. I think we cannot implement anymore any changes in our requirement and script side. So that's going on. How to work. So all thing will be covered in last part of the object tracking. So we are going to the here the our main. We are not the main side. Our main side will be covered one. Let me check again what will be showing you. So I mentioned the CPUS view. Okay, you can see the where it is a download. Here the all model will be download easily, and our script name is you can see here the object will be count. I think object will be count and track will be different. So I'm close it and run it again. Name is the Python. Here the our folder ASN1. Okay. After ASN1 mention the demo. So you can see the here the some error, getting some error. Okay. So what kind of the error we take it out. Here the line number 2 model getting error. So we are cover again. Mention the CPU. Here the no library will be found. Okay, I think I'm write the folder and here the script name. So let me check it again from the object detection.py. Here the I am mentioned the this line. Okay, I forget the this line and how to run, and now we are going to the change the name underscore. It's not be mentioned. Okay, no, not worry. Tracker. So we are mentioned the Python and folder script name, and you can see what kind of getting any type of error. I think it's working fine. Okay, what kind of error? Here the unexpected filter classes. Let me check from the script side. So you can see the filter will be assigned, and I think it's working fine now. We mentioned the filters. Okay, so you can see the filter command here. Filter. What kind of filter? Here the testing.mp4 file. You can see the what kind of the mp4 file will be showed data, sample videos, and the mp4 file. Okay, so we are going to detect the cars now. Filter the name of the car. I hope it's working fine now. So it's again getting an error, same error, typing error. I think let me check again. Import the libraries, all libraries. Here the classes. Mention the video path and output result path. And after the mention the make folder directory. If our cannot be created any type of the folder, it will be created automatically. So assign the loop and mention the frame per seconds, and after frame per seconds mention the text. Okay, so here the mention the, I think, let me check here the YOLO wait argument. Okay, so use underscore conda, we use the CPU. Here the mention CPU and use CPU. I think it's working fine now. So we are mentioned in script side in CPU. So let me check again. It's taking time. Do you mean of the using no attribute name space? Okay. I think it's work. It's error getting any this error not mention the CPU and GPU. It's only for GPU, and not worry. We are tracking the object in this Sun library. So you go to the this link also in description side. You go to the Pyresearch and here the Nucoca 99. So I mention it YOLO V7 here this report. Okay, so you can filter it easily. CPU and GPU base. Just clone the report in a Sun folder. After go to the tracking lib for tracking folder. You can see the downloading will be done within seconds. So after downloading, you go to the folder and you mention here the people drive. Okay, no problem. So you can see the now second step for the Linux, for the Window user, for Mac user, follow to this command, same command for the Mint and Linux Mint and Mac user. Python. Okay, already mentioned the minus. Okay, not worry, I'm clear it. So you can see the requirement file is not next given. I think our script will work fine. Let me check. So here the YOLO we had, you can see the running this mention the pre and YOLO v7. We have already YOLO v7.pt file. Okay, so only we mention the path and you get the result. Okay, we have already downloaded YOLO V7 wait, and here we are mention the path. Copy this command and mention the path. What kind of the path name? Let me check it out. YOLO V7. Okay, I am copying this path and people track. Here the people track. YOLO V7. Okay, here the wait. Okay, after the wait, you mention the YOLO V7 dot pt and your video file source. So we are going to the target of the cars only. So just going to the data, sorry, here the data, video samples, and you copy this link, copy test.mp4 file. After you put here in this folder, people track. Okay, here already will be mentioned. I forget. So you can see the we are put two folders. One mention the YOLO V7 and one video file source. So we are added the video source and getting the result. So you can see that it's taking time. One maximum depend on your laptop. It processing will be start YOLO V7. Uh, all dependency, all things will be covered. So you get from the this these type from the logs and same as well from the ASN library. So we continue in the so you can see the interface testing will be done, and now we are going to the SAM folder, going to the document YouTube. Here the our files, ASN1 YOLO V7. Sorry, I can go back. People tracking. So you can see the run point detection. Here the object number 3. So you get the result from here. Uh, Total number of people and track the people. So we are covering. Do not worry. I will implement this library will be CPU based and ASN1 library. So I am fully contribute to the ASN1 library. So here the requirement of the you get from here Linux Mint and Windows user and Mac user. So this will be covered introduction part, requirement installation part, downloading reporting part, then running part, and samples of codes will be tested one by one. So I hope you like it. Kindly support our channel for more getting an information update. You get our go to our page Pyresearch and subscribe it, share with colleagues, and keep your support us. I hope you like it.